Your butthole is showing your lips.
What? Oh my god, I was like,
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Kevin, but you should know that and subscribe. This is my model today, Piper.
the townsfolk right now.
And we're going to make, we're going...
With the pitchfork.
So this is the glam version of the look. She looks so sweet. If you wanna see the spooky version, stay to the end. So we have to get rid of them all.
Just get them all done.
I don't wanna hurt you.
Ruin them. Delete. Control. Alt delete my
I'm like choking you.
Feeling cute. That's like what my eyebrows look like when I wake up.
What's wrong with that? That girl.
It was it on my cheek.
She's so fine.
I look like a troll.
I still gotta lick that.
I still gotta like that.
Dang. Pouting her face. All right.
I look bald. Oh. Oh my god. I feel like yes!
Ooh, exciting. Incorporate it.
Just try to like go over it, like, and then we can clean it off after if you like get stuff.
Okay. A muggle. I was like,
I am not a muggle. You filthy muggle. I'm so ugly. Someone cast me as a troll in a movie or something.
I love this.
I could
Come back in. Do a little swipe, swipe. Lots of under eye to bring that tail out. It's already blending a lot more than I expected.
Teamwork.
Okay. So I'm gonna go. Gently pull it down. Just like that. That's it, we're done. We'll just shrink that forehead right up.
I want everything. I want guac if you got it. I'm just kidding.
Delicious in the trenches.
Delicious and nutritious taco.
This shade or this shade? Which do you like better? Orangey brown or like gray brown?
I like the gray brown.
The gray brown?
Because
Okay.
I like the cold, like dirty.
The dirty isolation.
I look like my father. I'm dyslexic, okay?
Oh, wait, I didn't show what I'm doing. Okay, so now we're going to take this shade called Abduction. It's like a, what would you call that? Fluorescent green? Lime green? Yellow green? I'm going to take Area 51, and I'm going to do that in the corner. I want to keep that line between like the crease color. Are you burping? What?
It's the dairy. No, I just have IBS.
The shirt pants. So we put on Area 51, that nice purple color in the edges. And I think the eye makeup is almost done. We're going to take, the last one is Alien, the metallic lime green. Because she's stunning. I gotta get the bake off your face. It's been there forever. And you should look right at me and be like the most still being you've ever been in your entire life.
Shit.
You don't put your legs out
You can't
straight.
be doing this
Go like
right
this. Okay. That's pretty good.
You're okay.
Really accentuate, really snatch your cheeks.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring those out. So now we're gonna take Triggered and we're gonna do her lips.
Only the souls of the children that wander in the forest.
Turn off your lips. I'm gonna try to like outline them a little bit.
Hi!
Can I have the highlighter palette? I can't get up. Do you want to use green or purple? Green. I like the green. Now we're gonna make her spooky.
Grudge.
Not yet, you don't. And then we'll do the...
I forgot you were talking and I'm making faces at the camera. Like, this part's gonna be in the video.
It is gonna be in the video.
And I'm like, wow.
You can redo it. Okay, so Piper's gonna do her bottom lashes, and then her falsies, and then we'll do a glam look reveal, and then make her spooky.
Looks like a goth bread woman.
Goth bread. Oh, Piper, do a beauty montage.
Oh god.
My list of talents just doesn't end, honestly. It's so hard. I just can't stop staring at her. Hope everyone enjoyed the look. I'm really happy with how it came out. Piper is an amazing model and amazing actress. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to stick around for more. And hit the bell notification to be notified when I post a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.